morning, students. Welcome back to our subject science and chapter 8 pollution. Points to be covered: water pollution, water pollutant, reasons of water pollution, effects of water pollution, soil pollution, effects of soil pollution, relationship of soil pollution with air and water pollution, pollution prevention and control. Water pollution, if you try to see this picture here, you will see a contaminated water or a dirty water is getting mixed with the water resources. Water is said to be polluted when it becomes unclean and poisonous due to the mixing of natural or artificial unwanted material. When it becomes harmful to living organisms due to decreased oxygen content, when epidemic diseases are spread through the water. Freshwater or marine water pollution includes physical, chemical and biological changes. Water pollutant, biological pollutant. Water does not remain potable. Potable means it is not, you can't use it for drinking purpose due to algae, bacteria, viruses, parasites, etc. Disease spread due to biological pollution. B1 is inorganic pollutant. Suspended particles like fine dust, sand, soil, precipitate of salts, compounds of arsenic, cadmium, lead, mercury and traces of radioactive material. Organic pollutants, weedicides, insecticides, fertilizers, sewage, industrial effluents, that is liquid waste. Reason of water pollution: natural reason, aquatic weeds, depletion of oxygen level, changes in natural quality of water. Second, decomposing matter, decomposing bodies of plants and animals. Third one is mud and sludge, river currents and its diversion. Soil erosion, many biotic and abiotic factors are added to water due to soil erosion. Fifth one is microbes like fungi and bacteria grows on organic matter decaying in water. Sixth, algae, excessive algal growth pollutes water. Seventh, nematodes, soil nematodes flows with rainwater. Man-made reason, first one is domestic sewage. Domestic sewage from villages and cities is disposed of in river water. Industrial effluent, second one, that is liquid waste. Various pigments, bleaching, chemical, leather pieces, fibers, mercury, lead, etc. are released into water. Oil spillage, while transportation, cleaning of tanker, oil spills into water. Use of fertilizers and pesticides, NPK containing chemical fertilizers, pesticides like endrine, chlorine, carbonate containing pesticides flows and mix with water. Other reasons: disposable of human waste, washing clothes, disposing hump, flakes in water, disposable of ashes, floral offerings to God, water from thermal power plant, etc. Effect of water pollution. Effect on humans: diseases like hepatitis, typhoid, diseases of skin and alimentary canal, elements of liver, kidney, brain, deformities in bones and hypertension. Effect on ecosystem: retarded plant growth, loss of plant species, increase in salt content of water, decreased dissolved oxygen level, disturbance in aquatic ecosystem, death of aquatic animals, adverse effect on seabirds. Other effects: changes in physical and chemical properties of water, changes in natural color and taste, useful aquatic fauna is destroyed, soil fertility is affected, toxic materials are added to crops. Soil pollution: out of total land area of soil, some is covered by ice, some is desert, whereas some is occupied by mountains and hills. Very less area of land is available for human use. Soil is said to be polluted when there are changes in its physical, biological and chemical properties and its fertility decreases due to either natural or man-made reasons. Effects of soil pollution: soil fertility decreases due to mixing of salty, acidic water from industry. Radioactive and other pollutants enter and pass through food chain like soil, crop, water and human body. Problem of water pollution increases due to soil pollution. Toxic substances leach into water. Similarly, diseases spread through various pathogens. Relationship of soil pollution with air and water pollution. If wet waste is dumped at a wrong place, instead of composting, pathogens grows upon it, which are then mixed with water causing water pollution. Insecticide, chemical fertilizer, weedicides are used in agriculture which causes soil pollution. Excessively sprayed insecticides and weedicides are mixed with air causing air pollution. Similarly, excessive use of chemical fertilizer causes water pollution. Soil pollution occurs due to mixing of human waste, birds and animals waste. This releases various stinking gases causing air pollution. Some waste may cause water pollution if mixed with water. Pollution prevention and control. Government of India has enacted some laws for control, regulation and prevention of pollution. Following laws regarding pollution control are Water Pollution and Prevention Act 1947, Air Pollution and Prevention Act 1981, Environmental Protection Act 1986. Various laws and rules are in force in relation to biomedical waste, harmful effluents, solid waste and sound pollution. Government statutory bodies like Maharashtra Pollution Control Board and Central Pollution Control Board supervise about whether the industrial areas, local governing bodies like municipalities, district council, Panchayat Samiti, Gram Panchayat, etc. follows the law about pollution control.